Okay, I will be back.
Imagine a better way to shave with no water and no razor burns, nicks, bumps, or cuts ever again. Introducing Flawless Body, the total body solution for instant, painless hair removal. No water needed and perfect for your most sensitive areas.
I can dry shave now and I'm not gonna get nicks and cuts and bumps.
Under the arms, it's so gentle. The knees, also the bikini line. I don't get any bumps or irritations. I mean, look.
The secret is Flawless Body has an 18-karat gold-plated head with a dual-sided oscillating blade that gently removes hair without any water. The pivoting head glides over every curve and it's bi-directional, so you can shave up or down.
The Cricut Explore Air 2 has a million uses, but only one job: make life beautiful. Introducing the Cricut Explore Air 2. Now available in an array of beautiful new colors. It can cut over 100 materials, everything from cardstock, vinyl and iron-on, to specialty materials like glitter paper and leather. Quickly, perfectly, beautifully. Choose from our ready-made designs, then personalize them or create your own in minutes. You can do it from anywhere, your desktop, tablet, or mobile device. It's never been easier or faster to design and create professional-looking projects every time, even on the go. The Cricut Explore Air 2 is more than just a smart cutting machine. It's your DIY solution. Just click, cut, and done. You'll also experience the joy of giving when you share stunning handmade gifts with your friends and family. With Cricut, you can make life inspiring. You can make life beautiful. Cricut Explore Air 2. Make every minute count.